Yeah, we're going to make, wow, it's full of snow all over.
Oh, let's watch.
Yeah, good morning guys.
Oh, let's watch in here.
Okay, we walk in here. I'm enjoying again today because full of snow everywhere. See? This one looks like bed of snow, and another one there, the table snow there. I like the trees. Yeah, thank you guys for always watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for supporting me. Shout to all my subscribers. Yeah, don't sit there, it will break. Yung puno ng apple. Ayan. Yeah.
That one.
Cannot open because it's full of snow. Thank you for watching guys. Gagawa ako ng snowman.
From there.
Yeah. Today is Friday. Guys, maraming salamat sa patuloy na panunood ng YouTube channel ko guys. May purpose ako kung bakit gumawa ako niyan, kaya lang hindi pa lang ako makagawa ng masyadong yung very interesting ba at saka yung magandang YouTube na magandang video na ilalabas sa YouTube ba. Maybe someday, one day makakagawa rin ako. Salamat sa support guys. Ito na yung apple tree. Ayan, lakihan ko yung apple tree. Ayan, napuno na siya ng snow. Ang sarap maglaro ng snow. Salamat sa Lord kasi ewan ko ba't nag-i-enjoy ako masyado sa snow. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat, ingat kayo palagi at salamat sa panunood guys. Thank you. Yun, siya nga pala yung mga gustong makapag-ipon kahabang nagtatrabaho para sa future, pag matanda na hindi na kaya magtrabaho, magkaroon kayo ng health insurance, health care, tsaka investment and retirement fund. Just message me guys. Thank you.